Good morning. Today I would like to explain about mango cultivation. Coming to Telugu states, 3.5 lakh hectare land has been cultivating in Telugu and Andhra states. Most of the varieties like Benganpalli, Rasalu, Malik, Suvarna Rekha, Alfonso. These are the varieties that are used to cultivate in Telugu states. Coming to Rasalu, they are China Rasalu and Pedda Rasalu are best crops, best varieties in Rasalu. I would like to explain about sowing time of the mango. The best time of the sowing time period is June to December. Prefer only rainy season rather than winter season. A plant which we select to transplant, the age should be 8 months to 12 months. The plant which we transplant in our field, the age should be 8 to 12 months, and prefer only rainy season. By that we can all those mixed fertilizers will be dissolved in the soil, which are directly into roots to the plants. And in previous year, to produce 10 tons, it takes 1 decade. 1 decade is equal to 10 years. In previous years, to produce 10 tons, it takes 1 decade. But coming to present situation, many types of sowings are there, like high density process and ultra density. Mostly traditional way we use only direct cultivation, like 10 meter plant to plant distance with 100 plants sown in 1 hectare. Coming to high density and ultra density, many plants, for example, in high density, 400 plants to 600 plants should be sown in 1 hectare, and the crop will be come within 5 years of the planting. High density process which are following mostly in Telugu states, and not only Telugu states, most of the states are following high density plants, which is suitable for farmer, and they can grow different crops in the distance of the plants. Transplanting time. While transplanting time, before transplanting, before 1 month, we need to dig a hole up to 1 meter depth in the soil, like this, 1 meter depth, and in circle shape we need to dig this soil. Okay, and after digging, after 5 days of digging, apply fertilizer, farm yield manure, like 50 kg manure in the hole, and 20 kg single super phosphate, and 100 grams of Faladal. All this manure and single super phosphate and Faladal should be mixed and fill the hole with water and with soil, and all this manure, single super phosphate and Faladal. Faladal will be 100 grams and 20 kg of single super phosphate, 50 kg of manure. Mix all this and fill the hole. Transfer this soil in the middle of the hole. By that, the plant which we select in the nursery should be 8 to 12 months, and transplant the plant in middle of the hole. Like this. This is the hole. We need to transplant in this, and we should apply water in this manner after 8 to 10 days. If the rainfall is not suitable, not good, we need to apply water 8 to 10 days. 8 to 10 days. Coming to sowing. Traditional cultivation. Coming to sowing, there are 3 types: traditional cultivation, high density cultivation, and ultra high density. Coming to traditional, 100 plants in 1 hectare in traditional, and 400 to 600 plants in high density process. This is the distance, which is 5 meters, and this is 10 meters plant to plant. In ultra high density, we can show up to 1000 to 200 plants, which is the distance between ultra high density and the distance between 2.5 meters. This is the transplanting process which we follow in our Telugu states and in my area. Thank you for seeing this video.